Hello guys, how are you? I'm here with Pano Motivation and I'm going to tell you some words by which we can get good conversation. Today I am going to replace the word sorry with thank you. Sometimes we do this mistake, like we use sorry instead of using thank you. Today I am going to tell you how we can replace the word sorry with thank you. The first sentence which we use always in our conversation is we always say sorry I am late. So it's wrong and we should say thank you for waiting. By using this sentence we can get a good conversation with our friends, with our family and with our other fellows. Next sentence is we always use sorry, I forgot it. It's in negative sense. And by using this, we apologize for our action. So instead of apologizing, we have to use this sentence. Thank you for reminding me. And sometimes we use sorry, I always mess up. So we can replace this with a positive and with a good sentence, that is, thank you for being patient for my mistake. Number 4, instead of using I'm sorry for talking so much, say thank you for listening to me. Same as we use the sentence sorry I am so sensitive. So we can replace this sentence by thank you for accepting me. Another one is instead of saying sorry for being so difficult to love, we have to use and we have to say thank you for being so loving. So these are some sentences by which we can get good conversation and by which we can talk to each other in a positive way instead of apologizing for ourselves and for our actions. Hope you have enjoyed this video, and please do subscribe and please do like for my video. Thank you.